Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
These ones, if we created this, something like this minimum commitment, maximum commitment, release items. Yes. No, I think no. No, right. Today I will take that. Good morning, everyone. Today we will going to see contract request and contract comms creation. I will create contract workspace. I am going to show contract sealer demo and address to the 23 CLA. I will be selecting the same template. Click on create. Here, what we are going to do is we are going to create a line item action. Click on action, full view documents. Why we do create CL? We create a line item document that you are going to use this contract in your external system, that is S4HANA or any other ERP system. For that purpose, we use contract line item document, and the documents, when you go to contract workspace, go to the document, click on actions and then create. You see this contract line item document LD, CLAD or contract terms. Either one only you can have. Either you can have contract terms or you can have contract line item document. Contract line item document is where you want to use this contract in external system. Whereas contract terms is where you want to use this contract term in suite integrated environments such as Ariba Buying and Ariba Contract Management. If you're using Ariba Buying as part of your subscription, then you can do this contract terms. If you do have only upstream, if you do not have downstream, you can use this line item document. If you're having both now, you want to decide whether this contract will be used in your ERP system or in Ariba Buy, then you're going to perform it. In this scenario, I'm going to show you line item documents. Once I click on line item documents, give the title line item sealer for computers. Test, click on create. Now system will ask me to add line item details. Click on add item. You can use from item library also computers commodity. What kind of commodity it is. And randomly selecting, you can select any commodity. How much quantity I want to purchase it, 20 laptop, $5,000 and click on done. Description test, click on done. My line item is done. Save as draft. Now I need to perform this incomplete task. I'll go to the task and I initiate phase. I say mark complete. Either you can mark start and then complete, or you can directly complete also. This is just a to-do task. Once I come here, once I click on CID and publish, system will validate whether the line item documents are correct or not. CID has been published. Now I click on this one, then I don't see. Tending to external option. When I will get, I'll go to overview. Here I click on publish. I'm going to publish my contract workspace. Now my contract workspace.